Alright, this video is to explain the safety features of a general chemistry lab. And right in front of us you can see here the fire extinguisher, the gas shutoff. You should practice that. It can be kind of tricky to learn how to turn on. I can't even do it right now. There we go. The light comes on, gas is flowing. Pull it down and the gas is turned off. There's the first aid kit. And here is the safety shower. Please pull it on. Do it gently at first because it comes gushing out. And we'll have a bucket in there so you can test it. This is the eye wash station. Need to test that as well. Sorry that there's something in the way. So press that, and sometimes water comes shooting out. And you got to be careful because there could be there's often a lock. Well, there was, I think in the other room it has a lock on there and it can lock open. You got to be careful. There's a spill kit. You can open that up and show the materials. There's pillows in there, like snakes, and you can throw them on top of like gasoline spills or toluene, these kind of things. Fire blanket. There's the temperature in the lab. We can't really actually do anything to control it. It looks like you can, but you can't. Here's the fire blanket, and it can be pulled off if you want to. It's a lot of work to put back on. Electrical control panel. All of these are in the on position. As you can see, if for some reason there's electrical fire, you can turn these off. Sometimes they trip on their own, meaning they turn off on their own. And then we have the glass, trash. Here's the fume hood. Tell them that we need to keep it down. That minimizes the flow that's going through. It can still flow through here from the lab. That's the safest spot. If you need to use it, you can pull it up. Okay, you get your chemicals that you need. Put it back down. If you need extra flow rate, there's an emergency exhaust, and you can turn it off. And there's a little mute button in case it's beeping too loudly. Fume hoods have all the same things that we can find in the other parts of the lab. And it's good to show them how the air goes out, top of the fume hoods and outside. Return air is brought back in, and where that, it's like a white, they call it a sock, comes in and air diffuses back in. So we're always getting fresh air into the lab. Since we're here, make sure you show the students about the air, pressure, gas, vacuum lines, and the tap water. See how this air one, good things, water shoots out of those. And then you can demonstrate how to turn these all on. So that's good to do. Show them the community lockers and what can be found. Everybody is able to use those, and then you can explain how they're going to get a locker to check in. And then lastly, come over to the chemical shelf. We have weak acids and bases to throw on chemical spills. There's often maybe pH strips can be found here sometimes. An infrared thermometer so you can tell how hot something is. Boiling chips to keep things bumping. Tape for labeling things, and then filter paper. Things you can find, and I like the TAs. Have your station right here. Okay, that's the features of a general chemistry lab.